Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use XDesign. So first things first, you have to go to XDesign and create an account here. Create an account for free. You can register using your email and here it is. So basically, this is the main interface. Once inside, you will see these tools like image background remover, image enhancer, AI object remover, and a logo generator. So basically, in order for you to start, just make sure that you're on the create section. And then here you have to upload your photo. So you need to upload your first image. Click a tool here, tap upload, and then you should see your picture right away. You can now use these tools on the left side. So basically, you can try this remove background to be exact. So if you tap on this remove a background or background remover here, then you should see the result right away. You can change the colors or color or background color of the picture. You can also try and tap on resize, choose the shape. And after that, you can also resize the picture itself. You can try this AI remover here and change the background, for example, this one. Now you need to tap on the generate button below in order for you to use this one. So I will be adding a prompt right here. We will not use from any of the background. I will add a prompt. For example, city lights or add a background city lights. After that, tap on generate. So I'm using the basic version. I can only generate for, I think, 4 pictures. And then here is the result. So this is how you use this AI background remover. Now you can tap on enhance or tap on this AI removal here if you want to remove a specific object. So it could be text, it could be like watermark. So you have options right here. You just have to toggle this one on or delete or remove a specific object. For example, this one. Tap on remove, wait for a couple of seconds, and that's it. You can now download, and that's how easy it is to use XDesign. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.